Hello! So today I am just about to start the ascent up Skiddaw mountain in the Lake District. Look at these views, I'm like 5 minutes in and these incredible views. But today I'm doing Skiddaw by Longside Edge, which is a route that I found on OS Maps. So I thought I'd try this. I have actually climbed Skiddaw before in 2020, and there might actually be a super old short YouTube video from 2020 of me doing Skiddaw, but I barely remember it. Just reached the summit of Skiddaw, which is my 6th mountain a month of 2020 and my 2nd mountain in the Lake District. So I wanted to do it again and tick it off and film a better, proper, longer YouTube video. So I'll take you along for the ride, or for the hike, I guess. I get how nice these views are. Although I don't like the look of that view. That cloud needs to go away. I said it was going to be a clear day today. Don't lie to me, weather. Oh, damn. Why do I struggle so much? There we go. I do get asked a lot about the kit that I'm wearing in videos, so I thought I'd try and get into the habit of just talking through quickly what I'm wearing. So I have the Osprey Silver 12 backpack today. It's quite a small day pack. My boots are Dana boots. These are an American brand, but these are my 2nd pair. I love them. I bought these a couple of weeks ago when I was out in America. Trousers, I've layered up with Akai Outdoor Wear thermals. Underneath, Akai Max Stretch skinny trousers, which are my go-to in winter because they just keep me a little bit warmer. Gloves are sealskins, but I do have an extra big pair hanging on the back of my backpack because I just know how cold my hands get this time of year. I have a Berghaus fleece on, a base layer beneath that, and then this coat, just love the colour of this one, but this is a Montane Gore-Tex waterproof. My buff is from Buff. My hat is just from New Look. It's not an outdoorsy hat, I just saw it the other day. I really liked the colour. This is a new water bladder that I got the other day from Osprey. It's a 2.5 litre water bladder. I think that's it. I'll link everything below in the video description in case you want to check out any of the kit. Absolute killer. I did 9 miles yesterday. I'm already sore. I'm struggling. I forgot that Skiddaw was actually quite a steep mountain. God, my legs. But when it's a nice day like this, you can just take loads of breaks and enjoy the views, so not too shabby. So my map is telling me I'm currently on the top of Ulloch Pike. This is along the Longside Edge route up to Skiddaw. So you tick off Ulloch Pike, then I'll just be heading over to Carlside and then over to Skiddaw. So I'm pretty sure you get to tick off 3 waypoints with this route. Also hoping this cloud clears, but also it's kind of eerie and fun. I kind of like it when it's like this sometimes. I feel like the only person in the whole world. Hello! It reminds me of the Titanic scene where he's like, is there anyone alive out there? Imagine if someone was like just was sat right there and they're like, yeah. Woo! Having the best day. Just chilling here for a second. Oh, okay. Let's go. This is so steep. Oh my god. Made it to the summit. I'm just hiding in this shelter thing. And there's the trig. Oh, and I fell over. Okay, there's the trig. Woo! That was fun. Cold, tough, steep, but fun. Don't let my complaints put you off about the steepness. It doesn't go on for too long. Ridiculous. I like paths. We're getting there. Look how frozen my hair is. This is hilarious. Honestly, the frost is actually making it a bit easier because all of this heather just feels like soft, fluffy clouds. Now that I'm off the scree, it's fine. But yeah, I will share this route in the video description. You can either like have fun with this off-piste section on the way down. I think as long as you follow the arrow and follow the line, you're not going to go off course, or just follow the route back that you came up, just like go back down the same way that you came up, which is a really beautiful route. So I personally love paths. I'm a fan of a good path. So next time I'd probably just follow the path down. It's just a bit easier. You can switch off a little bit then and just walk, can't you? Whereas I'm having to keep my phone in my hand and make sure I haven't gone like off course too much. It's just a bit more tiring on your legs, all of this stuff. But yeah, other than that, great route. Oh my god, I can see. It's so nice to be able to see again. Honestly, it gets a bit like disorienting being in a white outfit so long, doesn't it? And it's just, I'm ready for flat ground and I'm ready for views. We're on the home straight. I'm so tired now. I think the cold takes it out of you a lot more as well this time of year. Like achy and tired. But yeah, it's been an awesome day. I can see the whole route now that I went up, that whole ridge up there. And Skiddaw is still in the cloud. Just goes to show you should never believe the weather, because the weather did say it was going to be a completely clear sunny day today. So always pack. I'm so glad I wore my waterproof, because I just thought it might be cloudy at the top and I'd get wet, which I have. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please go check out my other videos. I've recently done the Langdale Pikes and a couple of other amazing hikes in the Lake District. Plenty of awesome videos coming, so please subscribe. It would really mean a lot, and it would help support my channel and my adventures and my hikes in 2025. So thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Made it. So that was 6.8 miles, 3,057 foot of ascent, more than the 9-mile hike that I did yesterday, and took me 4 hours and 17 minutes. That's amazing. I'm tired now. I'm gonna go have a hot shower and chill out. So see you next time.